Hello, welcome to Kap Industries. This is the installation video for an Isuzu NPS fire extinguisher mount made by Kap Industries. As you can see, this one is already installed, and I'll show you how to do it right now. The tools required to install the fire extinguisher bracket into the NPS is a 14mm socket and ratchet, a couple of 8mm spanners, and the bracket and your fire extinguisher. Start by removing the two side bolts from the seats. With those two bolts removed, then you need to install the cage of the extinguisher onto the bracket using the supplied M5 high tensile nuts and bolts. And tighten up those two bolts with the 8mm spanners. After you've installed the cage of the extinguisher onto the bracket, then you need to lift the side of the seat up and slip it in and align it up. The back part goes on the stud and the front goes underneath the seat foot. Then just put the bracket bolts back in. Always do them up by hand first so you don't cross thread them. Then with the 14mm spanner and ratchet, tighten them back up. Then simply slip the extinguisher into its cage. Job done.